Bonjour tout le monde, hello everyone, and welcome to this new episode of my podcast, Study French. Today, before I start, I wanted to tell you something very exciting. Soon, the cheat sheets of my podcast episodes will be available, and it's going to help you a lot with your French learning journey. So I'm very excited, and watch this space. In today's episode, I'm going to give you 10 animals in French. Are you ready? C'est parti. The first one, of course, is a dog. Un chien. Un chien. A dog, or the dog. Le chien. Le chien. And chien here is spelled C-H-I-E-N. Chien. Chien. Next, we've got cat, chat. So chat, cat, spelled C-H-A-T and pronounced chat. The cat, le chat, or a cat, un chat. Un chat. Next one, we've got bird, bird, oiseau. So it's spelled O-I-S-E-A-U. And pronounced, I'm going to break it down for you, oiseau. Once again, oiseau, oiseau, bird. A bird, un oiseau, un oiseau. So you can hear the liaison, the link, la connexion, the connection between the N of un and the vowel, the O, the first letter of oiseau. I don't say un oiseau, I do say un oiseau, a bird, or l'oiseau, the bird. It's L apostrophe because it's starting with O, a vowel, l'oiseau. I don't say le oiseau, I say l'oiseau, L apostrophe. Next, we've got horse, horse, cheval, cheval. Once again, cheval, cheval, spelled C-H-E-V-A-L. A horse, un cheval, un cheval. The horse, le cheval, le cheval. Next, we've got rabbit, rabbit. Lapin in French, lapin, spelled L-A-P-I-N. And pronounced lapin. Once again, lapin. So if you want to say the rabbit, you're gonna say le lapin, le lapin. Or a rabbit, un lapin, un lapin. Alright? So next, we've got the lion, le lion. So it's the same, exact same spelling in French, L-I-O-N, lion. In French, it's pronounced lion, lion. The lion, le lion, le lion. A lion, un lion, un lion. So once again, the lion, le lion, and a lion, un lion. Next, we've got monkey, singe, singe, spelled S-I-N-G-E and pronounced. I'm going to break it down to exaggerate, accentuate for you. Singe, singe. But we don't say singe, we just say singe, singe. A monkey, un singe. The monkey, le singe, le singe. Next, we've got elephant. Elephant in French is the same spelling. So E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Except that we have an accent on the first and the second E. So E accent, L, E accent, P-H-A-N-T. And the accent is what we call l'accent aigu, because going up, okay? Going up, accent aigu. So you can say an elephant, un éléphant, un éléphant, an elephant, un éléphant. Or you can say the elephant, l'éléphant, l'éléphant. Once again, elephant is starting with a vowel, so you're gonna say l'éléphant and not le éléphant. So you're gonna use L apostrophe instead of le. L'éléphant. Alright? So l'éléphant. Then we've got fish, poisson, poisson. Spelled P-O-I-S-S-O-N and pronounced poisson, poisson. The fish, le poisson. A fish, un poisson. Once again, le poisson or un poisson. So le poisson, the fish, and a fish, un poisson. All right? And last but not least, I want to tell you about dolphin, dolphin, dauphin, dauphin, D-A-U-P-H-I-N in French. Remember in French, when it's finishing with I-N like matin or fin or dauphin, we don't say dauphine, we don't say matin, we don't say fin. The sound is un. So the final I-N in French is pronounced un. Dauphin, dolphin, matin, morning, fin, la fin, the end. Alright? So dauphin, the dolphin, le dauphin, or a dolphin, un dauphin. Alright? Make sense? Alright, that's the end of this episode. Thank you very much for listening, and please don't forget, if you haven't done it, please don't forget to subscribe to my podcast on Spotify and Apple Podcasts, and also please don't forget to give me 5 stars on the podcast if you enjoy it, because it's helping a lot of people with finding my podcasts. So it would be awesome and very, very, very much appreciated. Thank you very much in advance. Merci beaucoup. And I see you later. Bye bye. Au revoir.